A modest 1.4% increase is forecasted for Tron by July 3, according to CoinPrice forecast. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. As we begin, Tron has fallen 0.3% since yesterday and is priced near $0.3158. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. According to 30 rates, we might see the price moving towards $0.3165 by tomorrow, roughly 0.3% above today's value. Tron might move up to $0.3172 per coin lore. That's about 0.5% higher than now. Digital Coin Price points out it could lift to $0.3196, roughly 1.2% above now. A separate projection from CoinPrice forecast highlights Tron may be on track for and 32 cents, a rise of about 1.4%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions expects a rise to $0.3279 by July 3, 3.9% up from now. This one delivers the best profit estimate. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. Now let's break down what the forecasts imply for tomorrow. Based on the forecasts, the price could move between a rise of 0.3% and an increase of 3.9%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Crypto Predictions shows the highest projected return with 3.9% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $3 and $39 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, 30 rates is leading the field with a forecast that carries a 65.8% chance of success. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus analysis points to Tron trading around $0.3202 following a 1.4% lift. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus scenario shows a 1.4% climb in price. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $14 in profit. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 52.6% of taking shape. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. 30 rates anticipates Tron falling. The projection from CoinLore is that Tron will trade in a narrow band around current levels. Digital Coin Price suggests Tron could extend its climb. Additionally, Coin Price forecast signals the price is following an ascending path. Also, Crypto Predictions anticipates Tron following a bullish course. Overall, the consensus delivers a bullish message, showing that Tron is leaning upward. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Tron will push higher. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. By the end of trading, the price was $0.3161. As we can see, only one forecast captured the correct direction. If we judge by accuracy, Traders Union had the strongest forecast. Let's lay it all out. Only 1 out of 5 forecasts landed within yesterday's candle. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and CoinPrice forecast led with 1.2%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. The stats list Digital Coin Price with $0.206,848,876,524 accuracy, 58.6% forecast probability, and minus 1.2% ROI. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Tron compared with other assets. At third place sits Tron, while Cosmos currently shows 4.7% potential gain. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. Okay friends, that's all. Subscribe now so you don't lose track of the sequence. Bye, everyone.